Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to build a fully functional mobile app without writing a single line of code. So let's get started. So firstly open Google browser. Here you will search for the popular websites are Glide, Thunkable and Adalo. These are the popular mobile app builder websites. We will using Thunkable. Just sign up using your email account and now here you will type your idea, like which app you want to create. I am writing that I want a simple calculator app, then enter. Here you will see it will understand your idea and here you will see in the left side it will start creating app. Also you can discuss with there once it will be completed. Add buttons, image, text, choose color, font, what you want you can tell there. Now it will start coding soon. Here you will see all the process. Now you will see it will start writing the code for your website, for your application, and soon it will be completed. Now you will see it will completed successfully. You can change the background color, margin, width, height, what you want you can adjust according to your need, and click on preview to preview the calculator, like 7 plus 8 equals to here you will see it will successfully working. Then you can click on publish to publish on iOS, Android or web app. For this you want to buy premium version. And that's it. Now you know how to create your own mobile app without coding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.